All right, let's dive right into this explainer. We're looking at the modern SEO toolset and search strategy. If you spend any time at all creating or managing digital content, you already know the rules of the game are basically written in sand. Today, we're unpacking a really specific, potent piece of source material that outlines the absolute essentials of modern search engine optimization. We're going to break down the modern toolset and that overarching search strategy that dictates who actually gets seen and, well, who gets buried. Let's get right into it. So, why rethink your search strategy? I mean, it's the ultimate question, right? Why can't we just stick to what worked last year? Or heck, even last quarter? We've all felt that absolute pain of finally getting a page to rank perfectly, only for some random overnight algorithm tweak to send it plummeting to page 10. It is literally the worst. But clinging to old methods isn't just inefficient right now, it's genuinely dangerous. The underlying warning from our source material is crystal clear. Complacency is the enemy of visibility. The territory is shifting under our feet. The parameters for success are being rewritten as we speak. You have to adapt, or honestly, you just fade from view.
Now, what's really interesting here is the sheer urgency of the situation. Our source distills the whole problem into two powerful phrases: SEO evolves fast and constant searches. Let's think about that. Constant searches. This isn't just some casual observation. It is the fundamental engine of the digital economy. Every single second, there's this relentless, unbroken stream of queries pouring into search engines. And because those searches are constant, the algorithms have to adapt instantly to process them accurately. That's exactly why SEO evolves so fast. The system is learning and changing its criteria at breakneck speed. It's a high-speed, ever-changing current of data, and we're all just trying to navigate it.
Which brings us to Section 1, the Modern SEO Toolkit, Upgrading the Arsenal. And our source gives us a really specific, direct instruction on exactly how to upgrade that arsenal. It literally says, review Ahrefs AI, SEMrush updates. Notice the action word there, review. It doesn't just say go buy them or use them. It demands this active analytical engagement. You have to review them because they're in your frontline defenses against that rapid evolution we were just talking about. Look at the specifics here. First, Ahrefs AI. We're not just staring at static link databases anymore, right? We're looking at AI deeply integrated into the tools, helping to parse data and automate the heavy lifting. And second, SEMrush updates. That word updates is absolutely vital. It reinforces that the tools themselves are constantly shifting to keep pace. The source is telling us flat out, your toolkit has to be as dynamic as the search environment itself.
So, you really have to evaluate both of these elements side by side to build your modern arsenal. On one hand, you've got Ahrefs AI pushing hard into machine learning, synthesizing massive amounts of data for strategic insights. On the other hand, you have the absolute necessity of staying completely current with the rapid-fire platform rollouts and feature updates from SEMrush. It's not even about picking one over the other. It's about understanding what both of these industry giants represent. They are the bleeding edge. If your strategy doesn't account for the AI integration Ahrefs is pioneering or those constant SEMrush updates, well, you're basically bringing a knife to a laser fight. You've got to review these capabilities just to understand what's even possible in SEO today.
Okay, let's move into Section 2, Optimizing for the Future, the Strategy Application.
So, how do we actually apply this to your daily workflow? The source material lays out a highly focused two-step strategy. Step 1, keyword tools. Step 2, content optimization. Sounds simple, I know, but the depth here is pretty profound when you think about those constant searches. Step 1 is basically your reconnaissance. You deploy those modern AI-enhanced keyword tools we just talked about to extract real-time data. You're using them to listen to the audience, to figure out what they want right now, not last Tuesday. But raw data isn't enough on its own. That data has to directly fuel Step 2, content optimization. This is where you actually craft your digital presence based on the intel you just gathered. Keyword tools are completely useless if they don't result in deeply optimized content. It's a totally symbiotic, inseparable two-step dance.
And here is the whole shebang. Mastering these 4 core elements is literally your required response to the modern digital landscape. You've got the cutting-edge tech, Ahrefs AI and SEMrush updates, and you have the fundamental execution strategy, deploying keyword tools to drive content optimization. This right here is the blueprint. The source text has perfectly distilled all the complexity of modern SEO into this one tight framework. The constant searches create a fast-evolving environment, so to keep up, you monitor the latest AI and platform updates, you use that advanced tech as your keyword tools, and you channel all of those insights into relentless content optimization. If any one of these 4 pillars is weak, your entire search visibility is at risk of just collapsing under the weight of those shifting searches.
Wow, we've covered a lot of ground in this explainer, dissecting the absolute essentials of today's search landscape. We know the environment is driven by the relentless momentum of constant searches, and we know that makes SEO evolve incredibly fast. We also know exactly what kind of dynamic, AI-driven tools and optimization strategies you need just to stay in the game. So, I want to leave you with this final, absolutely crucial question to ask yourself right now. SEO is evolving fast. Is your content keeping up? Seriously, take a hard look at your workflow. Are you reviewing the latest AI capabilities? Are your keyword tools actually driving rigorous content optimization? If not, well, it's time to adapt. Thanks for joining me to unpack all this. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and I'll catch you next time.